Hello guys, so in this video I will show you how to fix PayPal something went wrong. So the first thing you want to do is log into PayPal and then you want to go up to the three dots in the top right corner at the search bar, and then you want to scroll down to settings and click on settings, and it will open a new tab for you, and in here you want to search for car, and then you want to click on the first one that appear with privacy and security, deleting browsing data, and you click on that one. And here you wanna uncheck the browsing history and the cookies and other site and the downloaded history, but remain this as a check. So it's only the cache, images and files that's being deleted. So the time period you want to click on more and click on all time, and then you want to click on delete data. So now it's deleting the data, and then you can go back to PayPal and try out. I will also show another method. So the second thing you can do if the first one didn't work for you, you can open a new search bar and search for contact PayPal and search for it and take the first one it recommends. And in here you can scroll a little bit down, and then you have the option to call them. And if you click on this, you will get a one-time code. So I don't want to do it for myself because I'm logged in, and I will get a one-time code. The other thing, you can go to the solution center, but you can also click on this hello, what can I help you with, and write to that bot so you can tell the precise example that you are dealing with. So yeah, hope you guys liked the video and it helped you. Bye bye.